If you want to pay later on your Uber drive, or if you want to pay by hand at the end of your trip, then you can do this on Uber. For that, just open your Uber app, and here you can see at the right side the option called account. Just simply click on account. Now here at the top you can see their option called payment. Just simply click on this payment. When you click on this, there are option called payment methods. Here you will select your payment methods. Either you want to pay before by your credit or debit card or any your pockets, or if you want to pay on cash after when your trip is over, then just simply click on this cash option. When you click on this cash option, now you can read your driver phone will show you at the end of your trip how much you have to pay. So you just check the driver phone and you will pay at the end of your trip when your trip is over. So if you want to pay at the later or at the end, just select this cash option on Uber.